This is another update I'm bringing to you on how to make free money online. So look at this $2 now. I'm going to withdraw this $2 now to my bank account, and I'll be withdrawing this every day. And every month I'll be withdrawing $60 from this platform. So watch me now. Let me withdraw this by bank account. So if you want to do this now, you see this $2 now. I want to withdraw it. So if I want to withdraw it, I'll just go to my exchange and copy my wallet address. So this is my gate.io exchange. I'm going to copy my wallet address. So I want to copy USDT wallet address. So click on USDT. Look for USDT 20 wallet. So this is USDT 20 wallet. So I'm going to select it and copy the address. So look at this, copied. So once copied now, I'll come back to that exchange and then click on me. Look at the $2 I want to withdraw. So click on me down here. So once I see me, I'm going to click on withdraw. So in this place now, I'm going to paste the wallet address I copied in this second column. So once I paste the address, I'm going to put the amount which I want to withdraw, the first column, which is $2. I'll come down here and put my password. So once I click on password, put my password, I'm going to confirm it. So once I confirm it now, I'll wait for it to load. So you see withdraw successful. So once successful now, I'm going back to my exchange to know if I have received this money. So this is my gate.io. I have 1.42 USDT before, so I'm going to refresh to know if this money has entered. You see this is 3.4 USDT. So which means the $2 has entered, and you see it here, $2, right? If you want to register now, just click on the link in the description of this video now. It will take you to this phase. Put your email and create a password which you'll be using to log into this platform. And once you are done, click on sign up, and you'll sign up this platform and start making money every day. This is cool cash and free money, right? So just bringing to you another awesome update on how to make money online. You have just watched me now, and I withdraw my money from this place. In this place now, I deposited only 12 USDT in this place. If you look at this place, you're going to see that there are different levels of earnings in this platform. If you look at level 1 blank, so you see you need level 1, you need 12 USDT to unlock it, and you're withdrawing 2 USDT every day and 60 USDT monthly. So this is awesome. And in level blank 2, you need 60 USDT to unlock level 2, and you'll be withdrawing 10 USDT every day, 300 USDT monthly. This is with just your 60 USDT. This is awesome. In level 3, you need 180 USDT to unlock it, and you will join 30 USDT every day and 900 USDT monthly. So this is a huge money, right? So in level 4, you need 360 USDT to unlock it, and you will join 60 USDT daily and 1800 USDT monthly. This is a huge money that you can just rush in and start making money for yourself. So in this platform, the minimum money you need to deposit is just 12 USDT, and minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. So withdrawal fee is just 0%. You are not going to be charged anything to withdraw in this platform, and withdrawal time is anytime. Once you click on withdrawal, the money will be deposited in your wallet directly, just as you watch me now, and I withdraw my money straight to my wallet. So that's how you can withdraw from this platform direct to your wallet address, and you can be able to withdraw it straight to your local bank account. So if you want to register, you'll do same step and click on the link in the description of this video now. Get yourself registered and start making money for yourself. I've been earning money in this platform, and I believe you also can be making money from this platform. This is a new platform where you recharge and earn, right? So you recharge and earn. These are different people withdrawing from this platform. You see member list. This person you withdrawing $500 now. This person is $20 now. You see $165,000, $32,400. These are some money. You can just rush in now, start making money for yourself. So if you want to do tax in this place, if you want to earn daily in this place, just come to this place and click on task. So just as I showed you how to do the tax, this is what I have withdrawn for today, right? This is what I have withdrawn. I have done my today's task, and I have withdrawn $2 every day. So if you want to recharge your wallet, just come straight to this place and click on home. And when you click on home, you're going to see now come to VIP here. So when you come to VIP, you're going to see the different levels in this place, right? I want to see different levels in this place. So when you come, any of the levels you want to join, you can just click on join. Currently I'm on level 1. So if you want to join level 2, this is great. You can just click on join, and you see the recharge balance is automatically unlocked. Need to recharge $60. So you click on this place now to confirm, and it will automatically take you to a payment gateway. So this payment gateway, what you need to do in this place is just to copy this wallet address now. This is a USDT 20 wallet address. Copy it and go to your wallet, transfer the amount of money you need to unlock any of the levels to this wallet, come back here and click on recharge complete, and the money will be deposited direct to your wallet address. So you come here and click on me here, so you see the amount you deposited in this place, and you can just come to task and use it and do the perform the task. And this is the task you always perform every day, and you'll be able to withdraw, right? You'll be able to withdraw. So my own task is still in progress, right? My own is still in progress. So that is what you'll be doing every day, and you'll join every day, right? So this is awesome. You can just rush in and start making money for yourself. So if you want to withdraw, you can just come straight to withdraw here, right? Just click on withdraw, and then copy your wallet address. This is my own wallet address. I've shown you how I withdraw. This is not hard. You can just withdraw your own money to your local bank account. So this is another way you can make money from this place, is by referring your friends. When you come to team here, you see you'll be earning a lot of money from referring your friends. So if you want to refer your friends, and just come here, copy your referral link by clicking on these two boxes, send it to your friends. When they join and deposit, you're going to earn commission from their deposit. So you have watched me now and I do this, so you can just run straight now and start making money for yourself. And don't forget to do your own research, knowing that everything about make money online are always key. Don't forget to do your own research before investing your money in anything make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button, so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube will always get notified. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.